Hello, welcome to my Lifestyle with Sharon channel. Today I'm going to make these really so simple to make chocolate nutty healthy bars. Full of protein, really good for you and excellent for lunch boxes. At least you know what you're putting in it. So simple to make, takes 5 minutes. So I hope you enjoy the video. Give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. So there's hardly any ingredients involved, so simple. We want some dark chocolate because that's nice and healthy. Pumpkin seeds, porridge oats, mixed nuts, or your favourite nuts, sunflower seeds. That's it. So we'll break some chocolate up into a bowl. So we want to chop the pumpkin seeds up. You can leave them whole if you wanted, but I prefer to just chop them up a little bit for this recipe. And so you just get a knife and just slowly cut this, because otherwise you can have pumpkin seeds going everywhere. They don't have to be too small. I'll just chop them up a little bit. So with the nuts as well, we're going to chop them because they will definitely be too big. So again, just take your time with the cutting and just make sure you've got a nice sharp knife. You could put them in a food processor if you wanted to. I'll give you the quantities of the ingredients at the end of the video and at the description below. So you can see here, they're all nicely chopped. You've got different sizes. You've got some bigger bits and some smaller bits. So to melt the chocolate, you can put it in the microwave, or you can have it with some hot water in a pot and put your bowl over it, and on a low heat, just allow this to melt nicely. So we'll simply add our nuts. Just put in a little bit at a time and give this a good mix around. We add some sunflower seeds, some pumpkin seeds, and some porridge oats. Towards the end it will get a bit harder to mix in. You just keep mixing and all the ingredients will be covered with your chocolate. So you just want to get a little dish, something that kind of thickness roughly. Okay, so what you want to do is get some cling film, push down into your dish the cling film, just roughly, doesn't have to be perfect. And then what you want to do is put your ingredients into your little dish, and then you just flatten it down a little bit. And you can get another spoon just to get off the last bits. And then what you do is just put your cling film over. Okay, so when you think this is ready, it should be firm to the touch, but not solid. And you just take it out, unwrap the cling film, and you just turn it upside down. And then you just peel off your cling film. You want to cut this into little squares or rectangles or whatever shape it is that you want. Let them harden for a little bit longer. Each type of chocolate or the temperature of the room has an influence on how long it takes to harden. Now they're a little bit soft, so my fingers will get covered in a bit of chocolate, but that's okay. I just want to show you how these are looking inside. Look at that. And they really do taste lovely. I'm actually not going to wait. I'm just going to try one of these now. Now, if you like the video, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when the videos come out. So I hope you enjoy yours. Delicious, full of protein, full of lovely flavour. Really healthy. I look forward to doing more videos for you.